Usage of a combination of letters and/or numbers together is called a prosign. It's a standardized short code for a message. Like, you might say THX in a text message. You would send 73 in CW. Let's look at some other prosigns. You'll probably know this one. It's sent in an emergency. Did you learn this one as a kid? It's SOS. It doesn't actually stand for Save Our Ship, but that's a nice way to remember it. In the POTA clip earlier, you heard 5NN. That was a signal report. Hams use 5NN interchangeably for 599.